Sue, and today I will share with you how to use Lumise printing time with embroidery printing method. Embroidery is basically a way using needle and some thread to create pattern on the clothes. Embroidery may cost more than traditional printing, however, the longevity makes it cost effectively. Not all designs are suitable for embroidery. With designs that require a large area, many details, or too many colors, embroidery will not be an ideal choice. So what printing time option would be suitable for this printing method? Calculate price per character. Price per character. The price you enter will be multiplied by each letter or character in a box. The result of the computation will be added to the product price. In the advanced section, the calculation formula is the same. For example, you will create a pricing that will change when a customer adds a certain number of characters. The pricing for one character will be different from the price for 2, 3 characters. When the amount of characters added exceeds the number of characters you created, you set the price for 4 characters, but the shopper asks 5, the pricing will return to the price per character calculation. Go to the resource section. You will be limited in the fonts, colors, text, or letter that you may use. With the text, for example, if I let a customer to add 10 letters, but the letter limit is 7, the excess number of extra letters will not be able to show. As you can see, Quicksand and Pacifico fonts had disappeared, and you can add more than 7 letters for a text. Also, if you don't want to allow the use of detailed templates or clip arts, put simple clip art and template into one category and only let these categories to appear as what I do. Or easier, don't let both of these elements show up. It's easy, right? If you have any questions, please let us know at the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next printing method soon.